see here how we are going to make money, or how we are going to earn money after learning Canva, from where we can generate the income. So this is the main thing, because whenever we learn something, whenever we learn anything, we want to make money. It is very simple and confirm. So after learning Canva, so we have to earn money. So how we are going to earn money, I will just show you some examples here, how you can start your own journey in this digital marketing by learning image creation. So simply log on to fiverr.com, fiverr.com. Simply go here, fiverr.com, or you can go on freelancer as well. So here you will see here how where we are going to click on the Fiverr. So once you have to create your own account in Fiverr, fiverr.com. On fiverr.com you have to create your own account. Once you make your account here, we can use this Fiverr. So in the same way, you can create your account on freelancer.com as well. Freelancer.com, freelancer.com. So freelancer.com or fiverr.com both will help you to generate income if you have learned Canva properly. If you are able to make good designs, then you can make here. So simply click here and search how people are selling their designs here. So we have to first think about this, how people will sell the design, how people will get the order. So simply click here and search for image or graphics. So image editing, remove background from image. If you click here, remove background from image, product image editing. So we can simply click here, remove background from image. We click on this part, and we can see here this was the image. The seller has done Photoshop here and done these things. This was the image, and this was done here. So this was here. So you can see lot of differences are given here. Few images are created here. So you can see, simply I click on this part, I will remove the background from the image. I click on this section, this ad I have clicked here. Hey Mac koi account is here. So I have clicked here and I can see what they are going to do. So this is showing one image trial free. So this was the image which has the background. In this section they have removed the background from here. So how much they are charging? They are charging around 385 rupees. If we count into dollar, so we will change the account to dollar account and we'll see here how much they are going to charge. So I have made this account change through into the dollar. So now you can see they are charging in dollar. So in dollar we can see here how much they are going to charge. So this simple design, simple photo from which they have removed the background, they are earning a lot. So how we can do this? It was very simple. It is very simple. I have taught you. I have already discussed in previous lectures how we are going to remove this background. So for remove background, we simply log on to remove.bg. Remove.bg. Simply go to this URL and select any photo with your background image. Let us take an example. I will just go on Google and I will search any Bollywood or any Hollywood or any cricket player. So you can search any. If you want to search for the Prime Minister of India, if you want to search for the President of America, so we can search any image here. So we can just click on you search about the image. Let us take an example here. Prime Minister of India, and we are going to search here, and we will find out one picture, and we will remove the background. So this is the photo with our president here. So we can see here, this is a picture with a blue background with a national flag of India. So if you want to remove this flag, so anyway we'll just think about other I can say, I see it's a Italian Prime Minister's India visit. So I will click download this picture, and I will download this picture on my desktop, and I will try to remove the background, and we will see how easily we can do this or not. Simply I saved on my desktop, and I will go to remove.bg again and click on upload file in this section. Click on here. Now I will choose the file here. So the file is on my desktop. I will browse my file and I will click this file, select here and click on open. So file is being uploaded here. So you can see the file is uploaded here. Now the preview will be visible. So now you can see the background is already removed. So for this simple task, they are charging $5. So till now you have learned how you are going to charge your client. So it's very easy, very simple to charge any customer, because the customers are not aware of the technical things. But now after watching my Canva lesson, you are already technical and you are pro now. So this lesson which I have taught you in before lessons, before classes, before recording. So this was the main pointers which we have to discuss here. So when you design your practical images, you will get a lot of challenges. So all those challenges will be can be sorted out if you are doing more practical. So please do your more practical. So I request you to try to make at least 51 design via image, and at least 10 to 15 designs via video. So once you have completed the assignment of 51 images and 10 to 15 videos, you will become a pro and you are aware of everything, and it will be very easy for you, so that you can make any type of video here and any type of graphics here. So this was a simple examples which I have given you for the removing background. So now if you come back to the Fiverr again, and we can see here how much he has earned. He has earned from $5. How much? One day delivery. They are checking one day delivery. You can just do very fast. It's up to you how fast you are going to do these things. So we can see here, we can just see and see from 2019, means in the last 1 year or 1.5 year, whatever the time gap is here. So they have already got around more than 50 reviews. It means they have already done 50s editing, more than 50 years. So it is very easy here. So we come to another graphics. We'll search here graphic designing. We'll go and search here graphic designing, how much people are charging here. Okay, so we can see here, I will do anything graphic design related to Photoshop images and all. Click on this part. So we have not learned Photoshop, but we will see if we are able to make in Canva or not. This freelancer has 28 orders in the queue. It means that he is doing good in his job. So we will think, we will go and read the descriptions. Background removal, number one, what they are going to do. A small fixes to any image, a skin smoothing and color correction. So they are going to give you very less reviews, editing on this part in the basic version. In the standard version you will get complex editing. Premium version you will get custom design. So for every different packages, they are selling different costing. So if you see, if you just go on the basic package also, $20. So we can see here $20, over 7,100 orders they have completed on the Fiverr, and more than 14,500 on other platforms. So you can see how this is how demanding this work is. Graphic designing is very demanding in the market, because without graphic you can't sell anything. If it is TV media, print media, social media, online media, any media, you need you will need the image to promote. So simply you can see here, we need all the images and we can use these images here. So we are going to see from how long they are working. So from they are working from since June 2015. So 1,000 reviews has been already given to this freelancer. So you can calculate how easily they are going to do the images and all. So it is very simple. You can create these types of designings. This one, create designings. It's all about the style. It's all about imaginations, how better you are going to imagine. So it's your creativity, it's not a skill, it's your creativity. If you are more creativity, if you are more creative, you can do best design in this Canva. So please look up, look for the creativity part and think more and more how it should look better and unique. So once your design is unique, people will always pay you a good amount. So we will see some more images, more work here, more graphic designing work you will see here. Or we can see here something logo. If you want to go with the logo one, we can just go with the logo. Or if you want to simply go with the image again, simply click here for image, remove background from image, product image editing and retouching, color black and white image, remove image background, Photoshop. So there are different searches which has been done here. So now you are very much aware how people are going. Before it was this room, this house, before, after that this was. So how it was done, it was done very easily. So simply remove the background from here and paste another background from the Canva. How we can do this, I will just give a practical example. So I'm clicking on this example, or I can take the example which I have already taken before, of our Prime Minister of India and Italian Prime Minister here. So I will simply download this image from my Canva here, from my remove.vg. I will click on download. The image is here, PM on my desktop. I will go back to my Canva again and I will click on create design here. Click here, custom design, or we can just use any size. Example, I'm just using my Facebook post example. Facebook here, Facebook, I will search it on this part, and Facebook post, I will look for the Facebook post. It is here, Facebook post. So simply click on the Facebook post. Now I will design a custom background here. Before, the background was of Indian flags, and the PM Italian flags was, I think it was here in the background, and it was the it is the office of PM in PMO India. So let's come to the Canva again. We will just simply choose a suitable background. So we can search for a back images, photos in my in our own Canva library, if they have some background in the Canva library or not. If not, then we will search any other background from internet which are free to use. So I will just take an example. This is a green background. I will search here for a green background, or garden. I can say garden or green background. We are just going to search here. So background is green here, or you can just think about garden, GARD and garden. So we are going to use the garden here. I will just use this one garden part. Taken the image here, garden is the garden I have taken here. So we will fit the image according to the size which we have taken here. So I'm just showing you a demo how we are going to do this. So this is the garden. So if you want to change this background from this images, we have already removed the background from remove.bg and from here, and we have downloaded the file to our desktop. Now we are going back to our Canva again. So once we are back on the Canva, I have uploaded a background here, or I have chosen the background from the this section only. I can use this as the background also. This is a pro version, so I have to pay for this. So I will just simply use this background just to show you demo. So this background is here. Now I want to insert the image of PM India and PM Italy. So how we are going to do this? Simply click on upload. Upload the removed background picture which you have done. Now simply click here, click the device, choose the location. This is the location here, and this image is coming here. Click on this part. Now the image has came into the garden, and we just resize it out, and we can see how good they are looking in the green background with a garden one. So this, you can think that they are already in the garden. So they are already in the garden, and we can assume that they are in the garden. So it is very easy. Now we can see this how easy it was. So you see, shoes is being cropped, so we'll just drag to down. So now shoes is also coming. So now you can see it looks like they both were in the garden, and they are walking or something like, and someone has taken the photograph. So how easily we have done these things. So if you have a pro account, if you have Canva premium account, you can just remove the background and this a square lines here from this one. So gradients can be removed here. So it is easily how easily we have done this thing. So in this way, you have to create at least 51 designs in the image and 10 to 15 design in the video part, so you become master and pro. And this way it will help you a lot while making money through Fiverr or freelancer. It can also help you while getting money from your nearby your businesses and all. If you want, you can contact the nearby businesses, shops and business owners and any travel agents. So Canva designing is required for everyone. So graphic designing is always a premium product which can be sold to any company, because no one knows how to design. If you become master or pro, you can make money easily. So in this section, in this lecture, I will tell you one more thing. If you become a good graphic designer, in the later section I will show you how social media optimization or social media management will help you a lot once you are aware of the graphics, because in that you will earn money by making good post. I will show you one example here again. Moving back to the Fiverr. Let me search for the example here. So I will search here for social media. So social media manager, what they does. So social media manager here, what they are doing. So I will just take an example. Social media manager, what they are going to do here. So I click on simple one profile here. Now how much she is charging for managing social media. So you will learn in the next further lessons social media and all. So here I am just showing you what they are going to charge. I will manage one social account for 1 month with one post per day. Means one post per day they are going to do. Simple. Means one image per day or one video per day they will create and post your account, and they will charge around $140 per month. Now you can see how much money we can make here. Second, she has already 12 orders in the queue. It means that if you become master pro in this lesson, you can make money easily. So it's totally on you if you want to practice or not. So it's my suggestion as a brother, you can take it. You should at least make at least 51 designs in images and 10 to 15 videos, so that you can know about the color combinations. Before making any design, always think about professional way. Always think professionally. Don't go here and here like this and like that, because it will not be professional. They won't be paying. So you want to get more payment, more client, more customers, so you have to make a professional designs. You have to look after all those things. So I will just tell you main things, and I've already told you the main things. Main pointers are already discussed in this lessons and previous lessons as well. So please practice this more and more and more. And as an assignment, make more videos, more images.